Have you ever thought about building your own solar-powered backup system? Imagine the freedom of generating your own electricity, reducing your carbon footprint and staying powered up during grid outages. Today we're going to explore the steps involved in creating your very own solar-powered backup system. First things first, you'll need a few essential components: solar panels, a battery bank, an inverter, and dedicated wall plugs for solar power output. Each of these plays a vital role in your system, capturing, converting, storing, and distributing the sunlight that will power your home. Solar panels are the heart of your system, capturing sunlight and converting it into electricity. There are a variety of solar panels available on the market, so you'll want to choose one that suits your specific needs and location. Next up is the battery bank. This is where the power generated by your solar panels is stored for use when the sun isn't shining. This could be during the night, on cloudy days, or during grid outages. The size of your battery bank will depend on your power usage and how much backup you want to have. The inverter is another crucial component. This device transforms the direct current, DC electricity generated by your solar panels and stored in your battery bank into alternating current, AC electricity. AC is what most home appliances use. Finally, dedicated wall plugs are recommended for your solar power output. This means keeping your solar system standalone, separate from your grid power. This way, you can ensure that the power generated by your solar panels goes directly to your most essential devices. Now that we've covered the components, let's walk through the process. It begins with installing your solar panels in a location with optimal sun exposure. Then, connect these panels to your battery bank, which should be housed in a safe, clean and dry environment. Your inverter is then connected to the battery bank, transforming the stored DC power into usable AC power. Lastly, connect your system to dedicated wall plugs, ready to power your essential devices. Remember, safety is paramount when dealing with electricity, so it's important to use a qualified professional for the installation. Regular maintenance is also crucial to keep your system running efficiently. To recap, building your own solar-powered backup system involves selecting the right components, installing them correctly, and maintaining your system regularly. The benefits are numerous, from energy independence and reduced carbon footprint to backup power during grid outages. Harnessing the power of the sun for your own electricity needs is a brilliant way to stay powered up, while also doing your bit for the planet. So why not consider building your own solar-powered backup system? It's a shining example of self-sufficiency in action.